Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are starting an exciting new series where we will build a complete freelancer marketplace website from scratch using the Prolancer theme on WordPress. Prolancer is powerful theme design specifically for freelancer marketplaces. It can pick with all of feature you need to create a professional platform. Whether you are a freelancer or business owner or just curious about web development, this series is for you. By the end of this series, you will have a full functional marketplace website that you create, customize and use for own businesses. So let's get started. Before we dive into the technical part, let's take a look at the key feature of this freelancer marketplace. Website using the Prolancer theme. Seller will have a dashboard where they can manage order, create and list services, and update their profiles. Buyer will have a dashboard to post project and track process and communicate with seller. Prolancer comes with a built-in messaging feature that allows buyer and seller to communicate directly within the platform. Service listing. Seller can create and list their services with description, pricing and categories. Profile customization. Seller can upload profile picture and skill and link their social media accounts. So next, giving you a complete walkthrough of a gig page. Explain each section in detail so you can set up your own successful platform. So let's dive in. So the first thing you will see when opening a gig page in the title. This is where the seller clearly states what service they are offering. For example, here it says, I will do Pinterest marketing and grow your profile organically. A well-optimized title is key to attracting buyer. Moving down, we have some key details about the gig, such as delivery time, English level, and location. Next, we have the gig media section, where seller can upload images and videos showcasing their service. This is crucial for catching a buyer's attention. Having an engaging thumbnail with clear text and visual can make a big difference. On the right side, you will see the pricing widget. Here seller can offer 3 different packages. Basic, a simple entry-level service. Standard, a more comprehensive package with extra features. Premium, the most advanced and complete service option. Each package has a set price and details on what included. Clients can easily compare and choose what fits their need best. Below the price section, we have the gig description. This is where seller provide details information about their service, including what is included in each package, the benefit of the service, why clients should choose them. A well-written description is essential for building trust with potential buyers. So next we have the price table, which clearly lay out the difference between the basic, standard and premium packages. This allows buyer to see exactly what they are getting at a glance. The structured pricing format make it easy for buyer to compare packages and make a decision. Now let's talk about the extra services. Seller can offer additional options that clients can purchase alongside their package. For example, a client might want faster delivery or extra features what aren't included in the main package. This is the great way to increase your earnings. One of the most helpful sections on the gig package is the most FAQ sections. Here, seller can answer common questions that buyer might have, such as how long does it take to see result, what type of business benefit from this service, do you have used automation or fake followers, something like that. By answering this question in advance, seller can save time and improve their customer experiences. On the right hand side, we have the seller profile. This section displays key information about the seller, including their name, profile picture, gender, location, and language, a short bio and skill set. Buyer can also send a direct message to the seller to ask any question before making a purchase. At the bottom, we will see the suggested service section. This showcases other gigs from the same seller, encouraging buyer to explain more offering. It is a great way to upsell and gain more business. Next, we will take a deep dive into the front-end design of our website. I'll walk you through each section, explaining how it is structured and its purpose. Website header. The first thing you see on our website is the header section. This includes logo, navigation menu, and dashboard button. This header is designed for easy navigation and accessibility for users. Hero section. Moving down, we have the hero section, which contains a large title and description, illustration, search bar. This allows client to quick search for the service they need. For example, if I type marketing in the search bar, and it will display all related services in real time. Next, we have the About Me section, which introduces the website owner or service provider. Profile image, description, and 2 buttons below. This section helps build trust and credibility. Service section. This is one of the most important sections. I have displayed 6 different services including Twitter marketing, Pinterest marketing, WordPress website design, GoDaddy website setup, Elementor website development, and fixing website issues. Each service has a clear title, a thumbnail image and pricing details, and a call to action button for ordering the service. If needed, more service can be added in the future. Trust Indicators section. This section is crucial for branding, credibility, and trust among clients. 3 key indicators: trust service, safe transaction, and 24 supports. This element reassure client that the platform is reliable. Freelancer section. This section displays freelancers who have signed up on the website. Each freelancer profile card includes profile image, name, rating and reviews, and specialization. Clicking on the any profile open details information about the freelancer, expertise and services. Categories section. The categories section allows user to browse services by category. This feature helps user find relevant services quickly. Latest blog post. This section features recent blog post article published on the website. Whenever a new blog is posted, it automatically appears here. Call to action. At the bottom there is a call to action banner encouraging visitor to hire an expert. This section is useful for converting visitor into potential client. Footer section. Finally, we have the footer section, which include website logo for branding, 3 main categories: support access, FAQ, help center, privacy policy. And that's wrap up our Frontend Design Overview for the Freelancer Marketplace website. In the next tutorial, I will guide you through how to build the website step by step, including setting up page, designing the layout, and editing functionality. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. And don't miss the next episode. Thank you very much.